Hi everyone, you are about to make a presentation and you don't have time. You want to create very nice illustrations, infographics, flowcharts. So there is a free AI tool called Napkin AI, which can create very nice, effective infographics, flowcharts, illustrations that can be directly placed in your PowerPoint presentation or Google Slides. So let me show you. It is a free tool, which is great. And it is very easy to use and it is very fast. So as a researcher, you should definitely be using Napkin AI. So if you go to napkin.ai, that is the website name, and let's see how it works. You can see here few sample illustrations, infographics that was created using Napkin. You can see it is very professional, elegant, neat, and as well as simple. And let's go back to Napkin's website. See, you can import any data. It could be a research paper, it could be a Word document, Google slide, PowerPoint presentation, a Notion template or a project. You can directly import them inside Napkin AI. Then Napkin will analyze the text and it will find the pattern, what are the core concepts, what is the content is all about, and it will come up with a best possible illustration or a infographic. You can see, not only that, it offers you a lot of variations. You can simply choose the best you think communicating the core message of your text. And once you have selected a template like this, then you can simply go and edit them one by one, like the icons, the colors, the text, everything is customizable. And you can adjust the colors and then fonts, and finally, you can take it as an output, as a PowerPoint presentation or a PDF file or a PNG file or even as an SVG file. You can use SVG file to later even, you can modify it using Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape and so on. And yeah, you can see it can greatly enhance your presentations and it is a must tool that you should try. You can see very nice examples on their homepage. So let's learn how to use it. Simply create an account and log in. And I think it is one of the most easy to use tool. And click on new napkin. There are three options. You can draft with AI, import from file, blank napkin. So let's start with a blank napkin. You can import files as well. So I'll click on blank napkin. It gives you a notepad like this. You can simply copy paste any text content. I have a research paper here. Let's see how it works with the abstract. So what I'll do, so it's an interesting paper, calcium binding by domain to place. Let's focus on the visual generation. I'll copy the graphical abstract, right click, copy, and go to Napkin AI and simply right click and paste the text. Once you have the text inside the napkin, here you can see a small icon. Click on that, which says generate visuals. And you can see Napkin is analyzing the text. You can see a very nice animation below. So it takes few seconds only and it will show you very nice set of infographics that you can choose. See, one has already come. That's all it took. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can even scroll down and see there are many more variations. So as a researcher, creating presentation or writing a thesis or a proposal, you can see which works the best. And you can even click on more and it gives you, several ideas. So I'll click one, for example, maybe this circular chart, and I'll click on that. And once you have clicked it, you can even further change the styles. See, so maybe I'll choose this one. Once you have selected, you have the graphic, you have the flowchart here. See, and once you have added, you can see there is still the option to change the style is available. You can at any point in time change the style. You can change the aspect ratio. If it is a PPT, you can choose 16:9. You can choose 1:1 or 4.5 based on your requirements. You can change the background colors. I'll keep it white. And you can see if you have changed any text, you can simply click here and it will sync with the text and it will update. So click on export and you can see all the file formats that you can download. PPT is available, PDF is available, SVG, PNG. I'll click on SVG and I'll click download. If it is a free version, there you can see a small watermark will be there that you can easily remove if you want. Let me click on download. See, the file has been downloaded already. This is the output. It looks good. It is very easy to use. It offers collaboration features and so on. You can even export this entire document as it is if you want. So explore this today itself and let me know how it goes. If you have any questions or doubt, let me know. And once you have the infographic, see there are options below to customize the infographic. You can click on Spark search and it will help you find suitable icons if you think it is needed. For example, I'll simply type biology and press enter. You can see there are several options. Choose down arrow on keyboard and choose one which you think is the best and press enter. Now you have an icon which you can place at any point you want to add. And you can see there is option to change the color, stroke width, you can change the thickness of the icon. All possibilities are there, okay? And if you select any text, you can change the font, you can change the style, colors and everything. You can also add text at any point you want by clicking on this label icon. And the AI comes up with an infographic. You might find icons which may not suit the best. You can always change them by clicking on this Spark icon. It will give you AI enabled, AI powered suggestions. If you click on this, you can find many other options. Okay, and I'll simply click on this and I will change. All right, so that's about it. This might be the best option for you to write infographics and visuals for presentations. So use it. Let me know how it goes. See you in the next video.